Roller brush motor. To remove the roller brush motor, you need to do as the following steps. 1. Turn the ILIFE robot upside down. Remove all the screws of the bottom cover and the bottom bar of the bumper. Take off the bumper and cover. Two. Remove the main board and the screws of the fan. Pull out the connector of the fan and then take off the fan. Three. Pull out the connector of the roller brush motor. Take off the flocking and then remove the roller brush motor. Replace the main brush motor. One. Lock the screws of the roller brush motor. Connect the connector. 2. Install the fan and lock the screw. Then connect the connector. 3. Lock the screws on the main board. 4. Put back on the cover, bumper and bottom bar in order. Finally, do not forget to check if the bumper can spring back smoothly.